Hello? Hello? Mr. Ricketts? Mr. Michael Ricketts? The honeymoon done. You never talk to the football fans before the election. You have to talk to it now. We want to hear your plans for the football, Mr. Ricketts. What you going to do with Tapper Whitmore as a national coach? You going to give the man a good contract? Or you going back to Winfred Schaefer? What about the issue of the foreign-born players versus the local-born players? Where you stand on that, Mr. Ricketts? You rate local ballers? Or you going back to your plain lord, a half-good, half-committed Englishman who don't know the words of the national anthem, or wait to find halfway through square? Or you're going back for some to complement the local core? Mr. Ricketts, we don't know nothing about your thinking on football, so we have to ask these questions. What about the Red Stripe Premier League? What are you going to do with it? The fans are bad. The club them are bad. Everybody say it cannot continue like this. Can you get the private sector to buy into a franchise system? What about the playing surfaces, Mr. Ricketts? Can you convince the government to fix up even one or two playing surfaces to world standard? Be serious, Mr. Ricketts. We, the football fans of Jamaica, don't know you and we don't know your plans. You go around with before the election. You can't go around with now. The election done. You are now the president of the Jamaica Football Federation. Mr. Ricketts. Mr. Ricketts, wake up. Mr. Ricketts, wake up. Wake up, your president now, wake up.